Is that ash? Where's the fire? Oh, there's fires all around us. London man, eaten by dead tiger! Well, I suppose there are worse obituaries. I'll never read the Jungle Book the same way again.
Double points.
Sounds like I just got a pay raise. Off you go, mate, and this time, stay there!
Max ammo. Points.
Oh, time to cash in, people. Bang, bang, ta-tick. Oh, sure. Pick on the 71, why don't you? Bangs a lot. This, my friends, is what happens when your concentration is broken. Or never existed to begin with. Job's good. Feeling much better now. Oh, that went straight to my amygdala. Now I don't know if I'm curious or terrified. Curiosity killed the cat. No! Shitload of bullet sticks. Excuse me, gentlemen. I'm just going to mingle a bit. Ask me no questions and I'll tell you no lies. Oh, did you see? Daddy Longlegs sure knows how to make a grand entrance. Reminds me of my third lab. Sorry, Albean, but it was brains versus flight. Brains always wins. Sounds good, although double pints sounds even better. More of these big jumpy blokes. Make me tired just seeing them flex and pounce. Ugh. Mindless sods trying to swallow me up like some kind of giant undead amoeba. If you're looking for a chew toy, you picked the wrong trick. That was no hurry on the fun. back for an encore. Can't say I liked his act the first time. Tigris mortis. That's Latin for pain in the arse. He's ferocious, I'll give him that. But does he need to be so mean? I seem to be getting popular here. The belle of the fucking mall. That was a lively one. Tiger burning strike! Spare me your unholy fight!
Double points.
I'm going to take down that big axle. Anyone care to pitch in? I had a dream like this, except you lot were feral cats, and I was the world's smartest mouse! From this madding crowd. I always wanted to see a real live tiger. Still haven't seen one.
Full power. Release the defiled!
Did anyone feel a change in the air? I swear, I just felt a gust up my man's skirt. Wish I'd brought some catnip. to name these monsters, just to, you know, keep them sorted.
Max ammo.
Sulfur, charcoal, potassium nitrate. Ooh, I can make gunpowder if you're hiring. In the, Max Ammo factory. Nice! You know, I'd get even more headshots if these wankers would just walk properly. Oh, pretty sure that hurt, but I'm on so many painkillers right now. Hey! If we just kill that hefty bloke with the axes! Ha! Can't keep a good chemist down. Or me. Nothing. I must be building up tolerance to... London man, eaten by dead tiger. Well, I suppose there are worse obituaries. We need to name these monsters, just to, you know, keep them sorted. Curiosity killed the cat. No! A shitload of bullets did. I'm wanting more, Saul. But whatever you do, leave them! This overgrown husk is more like a mortar! Tigers are so rare. Lunch, Romans. Back off, maggot brains. You're cramping my style. Who the blazes threw that? All right, it was me. Last long if they keep swatting me like that. I had a dream like this, except you lot were feral cats, and I was the world's smartest mouse. Are we sure explosives aren't against the rules? No, sod it. Come here my back! If you're looking for a chew toy, you've picked the wrong Brit! I'll never read the Jungle Book the same way again. Squirrely little shit, isn't he? But he gets the job done.
Such savagery!
All right, you big bastard! Once more with fever! How funny! I actually meant for that to explode! Free chemistry lesson, you plonker! Action and reaction! Oh, go on, amputate your lumber, you glorified woodsman! Spontaneous combustion! I always wanted to witness that particular phenomenon for myself. Sorry, mate, not today. You feel free to try again. Running out of bullets! Should do something about that, sooner or later. Eventually.
Break their bones!
Bollocks! We're in for it now! More of these big, jumpy blokes. I've just seen them flex and pounce. Now, I'm no ammoologist, but I think my weapon is nearly out of bullets. Bangs a lot. Always wanted to see a real live tiger. Still haven't seen one.
Full power.
Nora, we're popular, especially with those armored stonkers. Are we sure explosives aren't against the rules? No, sod it. An old man with a gimpy eye just put you down, big fella. Time to rethink your career, yes? I know blokes who pay to get slapped around like that. Now I pay them to trade places with me. If you're looking for a chew toy, you've picked the wrong Brit! See you mindless sods trying to swallow me up like some kind of giant undead amoeba! Oh, come on! I've been on fire myself, wasn't that bad? Ask me no questions and I'll sell you no lives. Did you see what I did? Nobody comes here anymore. It's too bleeding crowded. Whew, he's ferocious, I'll give him that. But does he need to be so mean? Squirrely little shit, isn't he? But he gets the job done.
Full power.
Don't fail me now, chemistry. You're all I have. I'm going to take down that big asshole. Anyone care to pitch in? Why are they closing in on me? Is it pheromones? They just half burnt. Wish I'd brought some catnip. Reminds me of my third lab. Another big growly sod. Is it me? Or do they all look a bit like Kaiser Wilhelm?
Bloodthirsty.
Tigers are so rare. Bloody Romans. Oh. That was a lively one. Thomas Hardy and get far from this madding town. I did it! I put him down! I'm getting worried now. Why come after me? Bruno's a bigger meal. The egg is fully tasty. Doesn't take a genius to see this is a very bad spot to be stood in.
Full power.
I'm nailing some incredible headshots. Oh no, I hope I'm not sobering up. I'll never read the Jungle Book the same way again.
True power. Break their bones!
Bollocks! We're in for it now!
Fire sale.
Cheap firearms! Misty Box may as well be a magnet to a skinflint like me. All right, you big bastard! Once more with feeling! Fangs a lot! Tira tigris mortis. That's Latin for pain in the arse. Ah! I did it! And the crowd goes wild. Bloody Nora, we're popular, especially with those armoured stonkers. I know, not bad for an old man, right?
Max ammo. Full power.
I seem to be getting popular here. The belle of the fucking ball. Immovable objects meet unstoppable force. Woo! I know, right? I'm surprised I knew you too. Woo! The axe throw is back for an encore. Can't say I liked his act the first time. More of these big, jumpy blokes. Tired to see flames pounce. Oh, in that stunted little frame beats the heart of a warrior. Excuse me, gentlemen. I'm just going to mingle a bit. Tiger, tiger, burning bright, spare me your unholy bite! Curiosity killed the cat.